as far as the comfort, they feel great. Just loosen up your shoestrings. I got a wide foot, but yeah, it feels good. I was kind of skeptical on these in the beginning because back in the day when I used to get them, they ran really narrow. But yeah, these right here, loosen up the shoestrings, and they feel great, feel amazing. Look great too. Really digging the color. Really digging the color. It really matches my other brand, which is Beamer Bandit. So yeah, definitely got some gear coming out with these. But yeah, look at that. Great material, great leather. Tongue feels amazing, nice and plush. Feels real good. Good mesh, like it'll be easy to keep clean. Yeah, loving the laser blue color. Feel great. Got your old school Nike tag, of course. Got your Air Max bubble, as you can see. And yeah, they feel great. This shoe also came with some anatomical high arch supports, anatomical arch supports. You put that in the shoe to help your arch if you got a high arch, or I guess if you have a flat foot. But yeah, it tells you about that. The shape of the anatomical arch support is a result of extensive foot morphology studies conducted by the Nike Sport Research Lab on thousands of runners. Its asymmetrical shape is designed to conform to the contours of the foot. Remove the protective paper from the adhesive strip and apply the strip to the arch support within the corresponding indentation. Attach the arch support to the underside of the sock liner, matching the position of the arch support to the shape of the indentation in the sock liner. And here's the shoe size. Here's the sizing chart of the arch sizes, so you know. But yeah, I'll be throwing these back in the box because this shoe feels amazing to me. No complaints. So yeah, there you go. That wraps up the Air Max 3 is what they're calling it. Nowadays they call them the Air Max 90s, but these are called the Air Max 3s. Laser blue, because these are the OGs. These are the originals. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching another episode of Rituals. Like I said, hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell, so you'll be in a loop when I post more videos. I do videos on car content, sneaker reviews, and money financial tips. If you're into those three things, this is the channel for you. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, give this video a big like, and also share it with a friend who can share it with another friend. All right, appreciate you guys. And oh yeah, one other thing, go get the books. Common Sense, A Simple Guide to Money. And then the other book I just wrote, just dropped that off the other day. That's called How to Grow Your Instagram Following Organically. So yeah, go check out those two books. Go get your copies today. The links are in the description below. Once again, thank you for watching Rituals. Y'all have a great day. Peace.